up, bitches? Welcome back to my channel. This is a leaky fat, leaky dead, leaky big, Leekysmallz. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead. Spots on the jacket. My mom went to bingo and I guess she was dabbing the dabber on the jacket. So yeah. If you've been here, make sure you like and subscribe. So today, as you can see by the title, today we're going to be installing a Synthetica, Synthetica, whatever you want to call her, a wig that I got from Amazon. And I will be installing her on my head. This is my second time installing the wig on my head. But this time I'm not going to have help installing the wig. I'm going to be doing the wig by myself. So yeah, I'm going to show y'all what the wig looks like. Where's the wig? Slow. So we're going to be installing her. As you can see, this is the wig. So she kind of moved, you know what I'm saying? Lace, oh, look at that. Lace on HD, you know what I'm saying? Fucking lie. I'm gonna do this another time. I was supposed to get, damn it. So, you know, I already have this bald ass cap on. Let's start. So first, I'm gonna start off by putting this tinted lace thing on here. I want to do like how the YouTubers do it. Can you focus? Can you see it, y'all? Can y'all see it?
Stop. It's actually painful to watch.
So, yeah.
Why are you doing it with his sister?
So I'm gonna sit here and, you know, pat it back some. I think the wig cap's supposed to go like this. Okay. That's the other eye, period.
What the fuck is going on, baby?
So we doing it, You we got this cut out. We're going to apply our 𝐿𝐂𝐃 spray. So I have a big ass can of 𝐿𝐂𝐃 spray. So we're gonna lay that all around the forehead area. And now, oh. Y'all, I look okay, we're gonna do one more coat because I don't feel like it's dry on there enough. So I'm gonna do one more little coat.
Come and take your place, cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else do.
Cut the cap. And so I'm gonna cut the cap. I think I'm gonna cut it like, oh, how should I cut it? Like this? Okay. Oh, I don't want. Make sure the glue is dry. Okay.
Oh, he tried it.
You know what? It don't even matter. It don't even matter because this lace gonna be horrible. This lace is gonna be motherfucking late. Damn, I look like somebody old ass grandpa. Okay. Okay, let's cut this. Okay, so we're not gonna make the mistake of, hold on, maybe I should lay this side. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna do another cap. Because I think it's supposed to. Okay, so I fucked up real bad, as you can see. So we're gonna use this one. So I'm gonna do one more. Okay, so now we're gonna put this again. We're gonna put this little spray. Oh no, I think I should cut it off first. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So this time I know not to cut too high. So now that we got this shit off my fucking head, we're going to put some more of the ginger lace on there because I barely put any on it.
Getting bored.
I'm getting bored, boy. Hit it, boy. Yeah, real boy. This shit. So now that we got that out the way, now we're going to put our layers of glue on. I will be using, I had used.
Yeah, he called me big.
Sorry, we're back. So today we're gonna be using Ghost Bond. This is not sponsored by Boho.
Big fat ass.
Yeah, we're gonna be using Ghost Bond glue. And we're just gonna put this around the perimeter of my hairline. And now we're just gonna put the glue back. I don't think I'm doing this right. Okay, this looks a f***ing mess, but you know, it's all about practice. Practice makes perfect. We got that glue down and stuff like that. We're going to let it dry. Okay, so we baby boy. So, we're gonna do one more layer of glue on the head, and then after that, that's when we're going to rip the fuck out of this wig. I mean those small slimy ass parts. So I'm going to then get my rat tail comb, part the wig. Grab the wig, and we're going to not place it on there, but we're going to see where we want to put it. Or maybe I should have put the, oh, I can't be putting it all the way up here, honey. Oh my god, I put it all the way up there on my forehead. Okay, so what had happened was my camera ended up dying. I ended up finding some tweezers to cut the lace. And yeah, that's pretty much what happened. My camera died, so I didn't really get a lot of footage of that. I apologize, but yeah. So I had did some finding, and I went in my mama's room and I seen a pair of these in her drawer, but they were in a new pack, and I plucked the wig. I think I overplucked it, but I kind of know a method that somebody taught me. You just put the thing right there. You could spray like some black spray, or you can get a marker and draw right there, but at least she's plugged. So now I'm going to add my Ghost Bond adhesive. It was a little too close. I think I'm gonna cut some more off anyway. So I'm going to cut some more of this off. And then we're gonna add the layers of glue again, because I did wipe it off my forehead because I did have my hairline too high. So, you know, that's just what we're gonna do. I did just get done laying this lace. I did put this elastic band on it. My camera did just die, and I did just put it on the charger. So for that being said, we're gonna wait for this. It is 6:28. We'll be back at like 5 minutes from 6:28. I ain't even gonna try to guess what time. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So now I'm gonna try to attempt to cut this motherfucking lace off. It look a lace so far, like, you know, it's giving, you know, whatever it's giving right now, girl. So yeah, now I'm gonna try to cut this lace off real quick, and I'll be right. Well, no, y'all can watch while I do it. Oh, okay, now I'm just pushing here, right?
Wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Oh, hair move. Please move here.
Pull it down, like take the hair out the ponytail and pull it down so you can see how it look in the front.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeezy lick and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of me penis.
the side go irritate me. No shade.
Just don't lift it up like Ruby did. No shade. I ain't get that.
Oh.
Hello? No, I'm saying how you lifted your hair up in that video. That was cute. When your edges was done.
No, I feel like you were trying to be funny, but it's fine.
No, what the? You lifted your hair up in that video, and it was real cute.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas.
You burnt it trying to bleach it. That look like a pot of gumbo.
You asleep.
Okay, where that concealer go?
Shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas act.
Okay, y'all. So this is what the lace look like. Ignore the size, but this is what it look like. And yeah, I installed this whole week by myself. I would do edges, but I don't know how to do edges, so I'm not gonna attempt to do fucking edges. But you know what I'm saying, you know, I did what I had to do. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I want another video like this, but I'm gonna be high. Make sure you guys comment down below, and we will get that video rocking and popping and locking. Also comment other ideas that y'all want me to do for live. And yeah, fat potential, check my credential, give me his they mental, they know it's leaky low, and I'm a big hoe, fat hoe, Big Mac though. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye.